Welcome to my room. Lovelies, welcome to my channel, The Productive Girl. Today I'm going to share with you guys my room tour. Let's get started. Before getting into the room tour, I just want to share two things. First, this is not my own room. This is like a common room for all of us in our family. Number two, it's just a simple and small room, but I have just decorated it with some things that I like and make it little bit nice and pretty to myself. Now let's begin. So first, when we enter, first thing is this curtains, and then this is how the room looks like in an overview. Okay, so this is a curtains that is behind the door, and at this side I have another grey curtains, and this leads to the another spare room or storeroom that we have, which is what I've converted into my desk space. You're not gonna see that. Let's just see our room. These curtains are of a really good quality and it is very long in size, and these are from the app called Meesho. So I will leave the codes if possible in the description box. So we can't share links in Meesho, so I will share the codes. So let me start from this side itself. So first, this is a computer table with PC and everything, and I have just lighted the candle over it just for the coziness. I've also added the lights at the back, and it looks really nice, and I will show you guys the overall look in the night view. And then on the walls, I've just added this green element, which is like a fake leaves, which I got from this Instagram store called Jotijia, and the quality is really nice. I just thought it would add a nice feature to this plain white wall, and it really does. Next, we have this chair with this fur cloth, which is again from the Instagram store Jotijia, and the fur quality is so very good. Next, moving on, at the corner we have this organizer, which is like a joyful drawer organizer. It's really colorful and very effective for storing a lot of stuff, and also it's affordable. So I will leave a link of this product in the description box, as well as I will leave links for all the products that I will be showing in this video in the description box, so do check it out if you want. I've used that to store all the tech related stuff like the chargers, batteries and everything. And at the top I have this beautiful plant which adds a really nice effect to the whole room, and I've just wrapped it with the fairy lights, and it looks so pretty and cozy and just nice. Next up is this huge table that we have. This is definitely a multi-purpose table that we have, and it holds a lot of space in the room itself. Like if this table was not here, the room might look a little bigger, but since it's really helpful and just use it in multi-purpose way, we just kept it. I work sometimes here, I will read, I will sleep, I will just chill. And also this table helps me a lot in shooting my YouTube videos. This multi-purpose table is so very helpful for me. So I just have a blanket over the table and some cushions, which is really cute, and most of them are from Amazon. I really like the unicorn one a lot. Next, on the wall is another curtain which hides the windows. Before it was really plain and it was nice, but I just thought I would add some more fun to the walls, and just added this fairy lights that has the clips attached to it, and we can hang the pictures. So it was so cool and nice, and I have just sticked 4 pictures like quotes which I really like and find it encouraging. And by the way, I've just printed out everything from this website called Zoomin, which I really like for like digital printing services. First, I have this quote which says, if you want to be successful, be consistent. And next one is, do it for your family. I really like the picture. And the next one is, don't forget to sparkle. And the last one is, believe in yourself. So I really liked it. So I don't want to add a lot of quotes in there. So these walls are also white, which has this plant, but we just stick this wallpaper, and it just changed the overall look itself. Like this space alone looks I was in some other room. So it creates that much of a vibe. Sticking wallpaper is such an affordable and an easy way to give a nice little makeover to your room. And here is a huge wardrobe, and this holds all this stuff, and I'm definitely not be showing because it's in a complete mess. So let me know if you guys want a wardrobe organization or tour kind of a video. I will try to upload that as well. Hi, it's me. It's a full-size tall mirror that came along with the wardrobe, and I just added the fan lights at the borders just to add some enhancement, and I really like it. So I've just added a stool to just sit down and get ready. That's it. This is a space. Next, on the wall, we have just used the wall space in order to make it as a storage for my skincare, hair care products. Let me share some of my favorite products of all time. So this coconut oil is the best. It's by the brand called Merit PCO. One is this rosehip face serum from the brand called Goodbye. It gives such a glow to the face. I totally love the Blue Heaven lip balm. Then these are my lipsticks, and let me share my top favorite lipstick, which is from this brand called Nikake New York. True Matte Liquid Lipstick, and it's in the shade called Cocoa Bean. It's a bold brown kind of a shade, and I totally love this, and it looks so nice and it just complements my dusky skin tone. So under this wall storage shelf, we have this cozy little corner. I have a blanket and few more cushions and this laptop work table, which I've shared my review and unboxing in my recent video. I'll leave a link of that video in the description box and I button as well. Do check it out if you haven't already. It's a very good quality table, and I use it sometimes to work if I want to lay down on the floor, and if I want to work in my garden, I just use it. It's just flexible to take this little table, just work wherever I want. Next, we again have a curtain, and it covers a big shelf that we have in this room, and it just basically holds all our clothing for like daily clothing essentials. We have a switchboard, and above that I have this nice quote pasted, which is my all-time favorite, which is successful people always carry two things on their face: smile and silence. Smile to solve problems and silence to avoid problems. It's one of my favorite quote from my favorite actor, so I just print it out and stick to my wall. That's it. This is my room tour, and let me just show you guys the how it looks when it is dark in the room with just the fairy lights and other lights on. Yeah, this is how it looks. I just totally love the vibe of the fairy lights alone. That's it. This is my room tour. I hope you guys liked this video and enjoyed this video. If you did, then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I shall see you guys in my next video. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.